Are you wondering how to create a successful LinkedIn company page? Or why create a LinkedIn company page at all? It's simple. LinkedIn company page gives your brand's online presence more credibility. It's also a way to reach a wider audience and gain new potential customers for your products or services. I'm Marat from EMMOTION, and I worked in HR and in headhunting for over 12 years, using LinkedIn nearly from the start. I created corporate LinkedIn pages for different companies and helped many entrepreneurs to do so. And some of these pages have now more than 100,000 followers. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn company page with a simple and easy to follow step-by-step tutorial. I'll also give you a few tips for a successful start, so you won't waste time wondering what's next. Please subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on my latest content. Also, thumb up the video if you feel it's been useful. Let's start by ensuring that you meet these 3 LinkedIn requirements for creating a LinkedIn business page. Number 1, you obviously need a personal LinkedIn profile first, so you can set up a business page. Number 2, your personal LinkedIn profile must be at all-star or at intermediate level in order to be able to set up your business page. You can check your current level in your LinkedIn profile dashboard, which is private to you. If you are serious about wanting your company page to be successful, you really need to work on that personal profile. Make it look neat and optimized. I'll add up a video which will help you to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. Check it out once you finish watching this video. Number 3, your personal profile needs to be at least 1 week old, and you need to have at least some first-degree connections so you can create a company page. Now that we know the requirements, let's continue to the step-by-step company page setup. And the step number 1 is selecting what type of company page you are creating. Open your LinkedIn account. In the top right corner, select Work. Navigate to Create Company Page section. You have these options: creating a company page for a small business, a medium to large business. Then there is an option for creating a showcase page for all the existing companies, if you want to give visibility for its specific unit, brand or product. And there is an option for creating a page for an educational institution, like schools, universities, colleges, etc. So select what would be your option. This process is going to be the same for all of them. Let's choose small business, and it immediately takes us to the next screen and to the step number 2. Fill in the details about your business. I will split it in separate points. The name of your business, your company page identity. Choose the company page name that the best describes your business. Remember to keep it short, or it's going to get cropped. If your company name isn't available, choose something similar or choose your second option. It immediately creates your custom LinkedIn company page URL. You can either use it or change it, but it's important for this URL to be easily associated with your brand's name. The next point is entering your company's website. It's always good to direct traffic to your website, but if you don't have it yet, leave this field blank because it's not obligatory. Next would be selecting company details like industry, size, and type of the company. You have to choose them from the drop-down menu. Choose the most relevant ones to your business. This information helps LinkedIn categorize your company page for visitors. As you see, I'm choosing mine as well. The next point is uploading your company's logo. It should be a high-quality one, which would match with your other social media accounts. This is important for your potential followers to recognize your brand and your page. The logo should be square. It has a recommended size of 300 per 300 pixels. And the next is adding your company tagline. Describe what your company does in 120 characters. You can always update this information later. Now we are ready to press Create Page. Once your company page is created, we will proceed to the step number 3, including a company cover banner. Adding a cover page will engage visitors to check out your page. This large image, 1128 per 191 pixels, will be displayed at the top of your page, quite similar to a cover photo on your Facebook page. Many brands upload another adapted version of their logo or their latest marketing or advertising campaign graphics. Step number 4. Add a summary overview in your About section. About section is focused on the problems you solve and on the benefits you provide. Google will show the first 156 characters of your description, so make your LinkedIn company page SEO friendly and easy to find. In total, there are 2,000 characters available for your About section summary. LinkedIn also allows you to create taglines and summary descriptions in multiple languages. Step number 5. Add a location. Add at least one location for your company. You can add multiple locations and name each one. The headquarters locations should obviously be the first choice. Step number 6. Add hashtags. Hashtags started being used on LinkedIn since 2018 and are now becoming more relevant. They can give your company an extra exposure. These hashtags will be added as community hashtags to your page. Step 7. Add your page admins. This is important, especially for bigger businesses. Maintaining a LinkedIn company page can be a lot of work, especially if you are already in charge of other social media accounts. Click Admin Tools, then Page Admins in the top right corner of your company page. You can add more page admins to give other people permission to manage the page. You can also invite your first-degree connections to follow the page from the admin dashboard. Also, when you are on your company dashboard, you can see the option of seeing your company page as a member instead of an admin. If you click here, you will be able to see how everyone else sees your company profile page. You can also follow your own page from here, like everyone else. If your company page is looking good, it's time to start publishing content. If you want to do any further changes, just go back to the admin view and click the edit button. If you are looking into improving your company page, check out my other videos on LinkedIn business marketing tips through the card on your screen. I will also link it below. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it could be beneficial to. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and see you in my next video coming up.